Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are solving a CSIR NET question. CSIR NET 2024 previous year question. So this question tells us that let our f be f from R to R be a continuous and one function. Okay. So they have told us that our f will be R. F is my R to R. Yeah, and there is continuous and my 1 okay. So now which of the following are necessarily true? Okay, so our option A is f is strictly increasing and option B is strictly decreasing, and our option C is f is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. This thing will be true. This thing will be my true. But for these things, these two, A and B, will not be true because they have said that f is strictly increasing only and strictly decreasing only. So if we take two examples like let our fx be my x and another is fx is my minus x, then our derivative is what? Then our derivative is 1 and here the derivative with respect to x will be my minus 1. So for that case, this is my increasing one. If x equals to x is increasing, but rather this thing if x is my decreasing, then we can say that this is a counter example for my option A and this is a counter option B. So our A, B are wrong. But this thing says that our option C is true. So now we have to think about our option D. So our option D says that F is onto. So we know that an onto function, that means a surjective function, for this case every image has its pre-image. So we have to find a counter example for that. Then if we get an function, get a function whose all the images are cannot be in my image. Okay, so in this case our obvious choice of function is my fx equals to e to the power x. This thing is what? This thing is my continuous. This thing is my 1 but we cannot map the 0 thing here, so 0 will remain outside of that, so it is my not onto. As we cannot do this thing, this has no solution here, so this is not onto over r, onto over r. So if they give us r star, that means that is my r less r minus 0, then it will be true. Then we cannot get this function as a counter example as they gave us this. So this is my counter example for that. So our option D will also be false. So our option D is also be false. So only correct answer of this question is my C. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.